Hi guys, welcome back to Island Girl Recipes. Today we're going to be making a lovely classic from Trinidad. We're going to be doing a chicken pilau, which is a lovely stewed chicken dish cooked in rice. So here we go. Starting with our ingredients, we have some chicken here. We also have some green seasoning, some garlic, some spring onion, scotch bonnet, some thyme, some soy sauce, some ginger and some salt. So we're going to start off by washing the chicken as always, taking off the skin and then getting everything on to season and marinate the chicken. So the chicken's been washed and cleaned. So we're going to season it with the green seasoning, followed by the garlic, ginger, chopped up scotch bonnet, chopped up spring onion, some salt, leave this to marinate overnight, or an hour or so before you're ready to cook it is usually fine anyway. Right, so now we're going to get the pan ready for everything. Here are all the other ingredients for the pilau. So we have some chopped up butternut squash or pumpkin, some browning, some ketchup, some carrots, some gungo peas or pigeon peas, a little bit more scallion, some thyme, some coconut milk, some oil and some sugar. So we're going to start off this pilau by browning the chicken, and we do so by burning the sugar in the pan with the oil. So I'm just going to start off by adding the oil to the pan. It's nice and hot, and then we're going to add the sugar and let it cook until it's a caramel without letting it burn. Then we're just going to add the chicken, and as you can see, just going to keep turning this chicken in the brown sugar, and that's going to give it the lovely brown color on the outside. Next we're going to add the peas, the thyme and some water, but before I add this water I added it to the bowl where all the seasoning was, and then I'm going to add it to the pan just to get all of the onion and all of the remaining flavors. We're going to return this to the heat and then just let the chicken cook in it a little bit before we add some more things. Alright, so this chicken is kind of sweated down a little bit and it's mostly cooked. So now I'm going to add the coconut milk, followed by the ketchup and the browning. Just stir that all in. I add the browning now so I can make sure that the stew is dark enough by the time we add the rice, because you can definitely judge a pilau just by its colour. and then we're going to add the squash and the carrots. Finally, the remaining green onion, and then I'm just going to put it on just to simmer for like 5 more minutes, and then the last thing we're going to add is the rice. So just checking for seasoning, I've added a little bit more salt, and now we can add our rice, which I've already washed. We're gonna make sure that the liquid just comes above the rice. If it doesn't, you can add a little more water. Then we're going to cook it for about 20 to 30 minutes. Ultimately, you just want to make sure that all the rice has absorbed all of this liquid, and then it's a nice deep dark brown color. Just added some chopped coriander as well, so as that cooks it will settle on the top. And look at this, it's all done. So as you can see, the rice has absorbed all of the liquid. Just adding a little bit more fresh coriander, and this is ready to be served. That's it, that's my recipe for pilau. So you can serve this with some coleslaw, fresh avocado, salad, whichever you like, but all of those things go really nice with it, or just by itself. So as always, thank you guys for watching. If you're loving these videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe, hitting the notification bell. Until the next time, peace and love.